So Cubbies, I'm coming to you with a new wig from Sensationnel, which I love Sensationnel wigs, oh my god. So this is part of their Swiss Lace Cloud 9 series, and this is part of their What Lace collection, which is like my favorite collection because this lace is the bomb. It looks so natural, it melts into your skin, it's already pre-plucked, baby hairs, Swiss lace, so soft. The lace just like melts into your skin. Like yeah, we're gonna get into this. Anyway, so I have their wig. Her name is Celeste, and I have the color number 1, and this is what the stock card looks like. So like you have like this 13 by 4, I believe, like pretty much like a frontal, and you're able to part anywhere on that frontal area. It is heat safe from 350 degrees to 400 degrees, and she does have baby hairs. I'm seeing that. Look at that curl, y'all. That wave. Look at this wave. Y'all see that? Oh, I just want to get on the surfboard and ride it, Bo. This is what the hairline looks like. You see how plucked that is? And then they have your baby hairs already on there for you. And like I said, it is Swiss lace, so it's super soft lace. Yeah, she has combs in there. And you guys can see this is like the frontal, so you get a lot of parting space with these units. And it's like that stretchy lace. So she has combs and adjustable straps. So guys, the hair is yaki. It's like a soft yaki. It feels really thick in a good way. This hair is so gorgeous. I want to say it's about 24 to 26 inches long. And with this wig, because it has that big parting space, you're able to part it like side part, middle part, however you want to part it. And of course, if you want to do styling with it, like a half up, half down, or whatever you want to do, you can do that. And like I said, it is heat safe, so you can definitely curl it if you find that you want it to be more curly or anything like that. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and cut off this lace. And I'm going to come back on camera and try it on for you guys. So guys, this wig is big head friendly. I'm going to go ahead and glue her down. I'm going to use my Got To Be Glue hair gel. I'm going to put a thin layer of this around my hairline and go ahead and just glue this baby down.
I'm gonna catch the rhythm while she push up against me. Ooh, is she tipsy? I had enough combo for 24. I picked you from across the room, pretty little body.
So guys, I'm gonna leave this scarf on for about 5 minutes or so and let this dry, and then we're gonna come back and style our unit. Okay, I'll be right back. So guys, I'm going to use some of my Black Radiance Soft Focus Finishing Powder. This is like my face powder. I'm going to use a little bit of this on my part. I'm going to be slicking down my baby hair, so I might not even need this, but I'm going to go ahead and put it on anyways, because I can sort of see the discoloration of my lace with my skin. Normally I can't see it, but I'm sort of tan. I just got back from vacation, so I'm really seeing it today where normally I can't. But I'm going to go ahead and put some powder on there. Actually, I think I might need a darker powder. Girl, let me get my I'm going to use my contour powder. I'm using my contour palette. Guys, I'm using this because this is what I use on my face. Whatever you use on your face, you can use on your wig. Oh yeah, that's better. So I'm going to use a little bit of that. Like I said, I'm going to be putting baby hairs down, so we might not even need that. So I'm going to go ahead and start cutting my baby hairs and slicking them down. Still going to be using the gel.
fucked up, I should know how to pick her. I'm gonna catch the rhythm while she push up against me. Ooh, is she tipsy? I had enough combo for 24. I picked you from across the room. Pretty little body dancing like go-go. And you are unforgettable. Need to get you. Looking good time. There is nobody. You got a little drink. You drink. And you are unforgettable. Need to get you. Looking good time. There is nobody. You got a little drink. You drink.
Feeling like I'm fresh out boosted. If they want the drama, got the ooze. Ship the whole crew to the cruise ship. Doing shit you don't even see in movies. Ride with me, boss. I got a hard head, but her ass off. She want the last name with the ring on it. Cause I pulled out $1 million cash, told her plank on it.
Need to get you.
You guys, this wig is so freaking beautiful. Like, I am astonished. I'm gonna put some of my Black Radiance finishing powder. I'm sorry, soft focus finishing powder in my part here.
Looking good time. There ain't nobody. You got a little drink. You drink. And you are unforgettable. Need to get you. Looking good time. There ain't nobody. You got a little drink.
I'm using just a tiny bit of moisturizer to tame flyaways. I don't like putting gel in my hair if I don't have to.
You drink. And you are unforgettable. Need to get you. Looking good time. There ain't nobody. You got a little drink. You drink.
You guys, this wig is so freaking beautiful. Like, oh my gosh. Like, are we seeing this? I'm experiencing a little bit of tangling back here, so like I have to make sure I keep my wide tooth comb back here. I'll probably end up putting a little bit of wig spray in this area or some of my moisturizer, so that way it'll be slippery, so that way it won't tangle. This is the Luster's Pink Shea Butter Coconut Oil Moisturizing Hair Milk. I just use a tiny bit of that. I'm definitely getting some shedding. There is a lot of hair on this unit. Like, it is not going to go bald anytime soon. The lace, like I told you guys, I love the lace on these units. It just blends right into your skin. The waves on this hair is gorgeous. Let me make sure I go over everything with you guys. The party space is fine. There's no plucking required. Put a little bit of powder on it because the lace, I believe it's brown, but it's light brown. So like, depending on how dark or how melanated you are, you might have to put powder on it to match your skin tone. It is big head friendly. It's very, very comfortable on my head. I have a big head. It's very comfortable on my head. This wig is so freaking beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. Ah, boo boo, I am here for this. This is like, this is slay. This is slay all day, every day kind of hair. This is beautiful. This is Celeste from Sensational Cloud 9 What Lace series. This wig is from SAMSBEAUTY.com. I have a link for it down below in the description bar. Guys, leave me your feedback down below. How are you feeling this unit? How are you feeling the What Lace collection from Sensational? Leave me a comment down below because I really want to know. But yeah, I gotta go, you guys, because I gotta go look at myself in the mirror with this wig on. Like, this is cute. Okay. Anyways, I love you guys. I will catch you in the next video. Until then, stay fierce, stay fabulous. Black China Bear. Mwah.